Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Despite getting its Android license revoked back in May, Huawei will still exceed its smartphone sales targets for 2019. The Chinese maker was projected to ship 250 million phones during 2019, and analyst Guo Mingyao expects it to ship around 260 million. Guo Mingyao says the biggest factor in Huawei's success is the Chinese market, where it managed to increase its share this year. Another positive factor is that Huawei regained its sales in some overseas markets. However, the analyst doesn't go into specifics as to which those markets are. Analyst Guo Mingyao expects Huawei to fully overcome its issues with the US authorities by the end of July, which would put it back on pace to challenge Samsung for the spot of biggest global smartphone vendor. Huawei wants to name its Android OS replacement Harmony in Europe. Huawei may still be facing an uncertain future over its access to licensed versions of Android and Windows operating systems, but it's been busy readying in-house replacements in case the tide turns against its favor. Now, the world's second largest phone maker has filed a trademark application with the European Union Intellectual Property Office, attempting to register the name Harmony for its mobile and computer operating systems. The application is dated July 12, 2019, and is currently under examination. The description of the application reads: downloadable operating system programs, recorded operating system programs, mobile operating systems, computer operating systems, downloadable computer operating programs and computer operating systems. That description hints Huawei might be attempting to create a cross-platform operating system that's compatible with both desktops and smartphones. The company, which has found itself caught in the crosshairs of a trade war between China and the US, had earlier trademarked an OS called Hongmeng in China, but this was later revealed to be for iOS devices. Huawei's accelerating efforts to build its own backup OS also comes at a time when the Chinese telecom giant is also reportedly planning to lay off hundreds of employees at its Future UI Technologies research subsidiary, according to the Wall Street Journal. Historically, phones running alternatives to Android, Firefox OS, Samsung Tizen, Ubuntu Touch, and Windows Phone, and even those using WASP variants such as Amazon Fire OS, haven't done well. Huawei will have its work cut out for it in popularizing a Plan B platform, even if it plays nice with other Android software and services. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get tech, gaming and tutorial videos and notifications. Smile.